are you allowed to, what's it called? Yes. So do you have to eat a kazayis, let's say because I need Shabbos, right? But let's say for you, you mamish don't want bread at all. To you, bread is like, I don't know. So do you have to have the kazayis or no?
It's proper to be considered a meal to eat kazayis. So but if person is sick, he's weak, he's elderly, this and that. So if he cannot, so he can eat less. But this hamotzi, blessing on hamotzi, does not cover the rest of the food. So basically, on a salad, on a fish, on this, on that, he has to make a separate blessing.
So hamotzi only counts when you have more than a kazayis on all other foods.
Exactly. Plus all other foods, so everything is covered, as we said, except the dessert. And we're going to learn how this mizoinus is not included by majority of the poskim, but some say it is included. We're going to speak about it.
Some people have this, I don't know, it's like pineapples and cherries in the middle of the Suda, and they don't make a bracha on it at all, even if they would make
Exactly. So pineapple, it's in this book they're going to speak about it. I never saw it in my life. I never, for me it's like, I don't know. So they have a fruit soup, some kind of fruit soup, and they eat it with a spoon, and it's sweet and this and that. I don't know why somebody would have I don't know. Don't ask me, but basically, if it's one of the main dish of the siyuda, of course it's included. Yeah, you understand? But if it's eaten as a dessert, like after you're full and you want just sweet stuff, you want fruits, something for this, you say 100%. You have to say separate blessing.